welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today we're going to be looking at the Twitch games genre. So if we go over to the categories, in categories we have this tab called games, and we just want to go towards this category. Now games also has subcategories such as other games, as well as action adventure, MOBA, strategy, shooter, role-playing, horror. So if you're on Twitch and you want to just watch something that's horror related, you can always come over here, find one of the horror streamers that you want to watch, and then you can just watch those streams. And as you can see, there's fighting. The subgenres in game is a lot. On top of that, if you see recommended games over here are some of the most popular games that's in very high demand right now on Twitch. So if you want to follow the trend and get on with the latest hyped games, you should always check the recommended games channel, as this will have those hyped games as of the moment. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.